update with regard to COVID-19 status as of today, the 19th of August 2021. The number of new cases is 329. The number of recoveries today is 308. Total active cases is 3,421. And number of deaths is 5. Jadi penting kejungi kebayai bat COVID-19 mentah kesini พัฒนาdari August 2000 puai kilong tumni ki kes ki bathmai mentah kesini kilong laispa arfunda ki bala recover mentah kesini kilong laispa pra baro kelumlang ki active case ki mengidan mentah kesini hadu mentah kesini kilong lai hajar sauspa arpuai pat ki baklat no mentah kesini ke report pengilayo pelong san. Thank you sir.
Hakwidai nakaliang jong ka health department bat ka government hi barakawai ngilay sim katu kan itali kirai hakwidai bat ki restriction ki bengibu barok sikata hakastit jongi hi barakawai bat kata kalong kumni harum kabenengkong ki sports activities barok kiba bro sikata ngimsya sports activities barok kiba bro sikata ngimsya namar kabengisya mensua kadai tangi yakitu ki non physical contact sports activities tenrei menna ngisim ya karai hapo ka review meeting ban nadu kaskinengkong nadu kaskinengkong shajrong ya kidegi sports activities nginsya nang tai ki cinema hall nginsya ban play tang baka capacity kan long 1/3 na ka seating capacity kitu kibengyo ong ki jackpot parlors nginsya nang ta susu kini ki public parks kum ka nan polok kum katuka kaneka Lady Hydra Park kabateng-teng don ki bekwa belayai kai ki rutemen ki samla ki rangba kum kateka lesi kateka Elephants Fall kabateng-teng ki kwa ban yalek kai ban lek pengat te yakiniru nadu kasing nengkong nginsya tamba kandon ka SOP kabatikna kabaka sarkar kan penkre mentakas ngilan lasai kin ai ke notification bat kumjuru ki deputy commissioner kin sale ya kabadon kam hakini ki jaka ki bangi nginsya kalong ya kitu ki khat pras nem sejrong bat ki bala ai ya ka injection lani katika ka bangi ong ka vaccination sakawai karai ke mengisim menna ka janmit kalong ba ya ka private transport namar baro sikata ngimsya like no tangkitu ki basyo ya ka karpas lengba ki deputy commissioner nadu laskinengkong nginsya bakiniyai 1/3 na ke jingdon jong kitu ki kali bat yakani ensa penbit penbiang da ki deputy commissioners hala ki jong ki jaka hala ki jong ki district yakani nakaliang jong ka sarkar hak state level ni ai ka bor ban implement ban regulate yakane dailang baki deputy commissioner te kitu ki klop lese hak snong ni ba pher kin sap ai kagenja application but ru na kaliang jong i deputy commissioner hapo ki district beper jong jala kinsa le yak bedon kam ha ka bakin ya slok but ki stakeholders ki beper the shop owners, the SOPs in place like Yodo run managed by the aim of Mlim, that also we have given the SOP where they need to make sure that the SOP is adhered to. So therefore we entrusted these SOPs to the concerned shopkeepers or shop owners, as well as the owner of the market like Yodu or any other market, that they need to comply with the SOP issued by Health Department. Well, see, right now I think you understand it is not so easy for the government to take action, because you can't stop crowd coming out in the road. But what we requesting each and every citizens of the state is, please take care of yourself. Even if you come out, be it in Police Bazaar, be it in Laipra, be it anywhere, at least your mask should be fully covered. Distance should be at any cost maintained, because this is not for the interest of the government, it is for your own safety, for your own interest. So we keep reminding this, we keep requesting all stakeholders to kindly adhere and follow strictly with the SOPs issued by the government through Health Department. See, again, I think let us not link with what has happened recently, especially that the day where the funeral takes place with our late cherished thank you. The crowd, they just came by themselves, and ultimately we can't help it. That's what I'm telling you right now. Why government wanted to transfer the ownership, let me use that word, ownership has to be owned by individual as well as by the household of each and every household in the state of Meghalaya. If you say that no government has to feed us, I think that is wrong. Because as I said to you, when we issue SOP, when we issue notification, it is not for the interest of the government. It is not for anything. It is for the safety of each and every individual, each and every household throughout the state. So what we are doing right now from the department and as well as from the government, why recently we decided that participation of each and everyone, and of course we do have local institution which is known as Rangbashnong, committee Shnong, local headmen in each and every locality, in each and every villages. Now, as I said to you, this time government is partnering the responsibility between the state government, between the government and also the Rangbashnong, the committee Shnong of each and every village, so that we'll be able to really take care of people in different parts of the state.
So if the figures are coming down, then even the positivity rate also will come down. It depends on the number of people we test all together. But as it is now, I think as correctly said by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sir, that ownership has to be owned by the individuals concerned. It has to go down to all concerned. Now the cases coming down is a good sign, and if we keep the protocols in place, especially the three cardinal instructions: mask, sanitization and social distancing, together with, which is the most important, vaccination is picking up. You will be seeing that I've been sending those reports every time. You're seeing that even in the last 2-3 days you see more than 7,000, 8,000. So now we're opening up we expect that once that sense of ownership is there with the people, they will come out. And once they come out, even for testing also, they will come out themselves. We need not go to them and say, come and test. Like any other disease, we live together with all these other diseases. You don't feel well, you will come and test yourself. So that I think plays a very important role. Yeah. And vaccination will come on a free will, on the understanding that this vaccination is going to bring back normalcy to the state.
I would like to place on record the vaccination percentage till today evening. We have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good, and I'm sure by the end of September we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly, they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign, and I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85-90%, I think, the restrictions can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. So this is what I would like to share with all of you. And then the residents of the state, they need to know that of course still some sections, some people, they still have this hesitancy. But let me just tell you now, 49% till today we have just reached, we have just crossed, and I'm sure that hesitancy will further go down from now on. Okay? But all the details, again, I think next week we will sit down about reopening of schools, colleges, maybe class 11, 12. That will be decided in the next review meeting sometimes next week, including the tourist spot or the tourism sector.